Familiarize yourself with the vinyl door wrap sheet. Know that there is 2 pieces of vinyl for each door. They are door specific, so ensure you match them to the correct doors. Start with a clean door. Next, ensure any oily contaminants are removed by spraying and wiping the vehicle with an 80-20 mix of water and alcohol. Use a heat gun to dry all corners and edges, as the vinyl will not properly stick to wet surfaces. Start by placing the smaller corner piece. Gently tack in place and lift and reapply until edges line up properly. Apply heat and gently secure the vinyl to all edges. The texture from the door panel should show through the vinyl wrap. Align and center the larger piece to the top of the door panel. Gently tack the vinyl in place and lift and reapply until edges line up properly. Carefully tack the vinyl in place, working from the top of the door down to the bottom. Once satisfied with the placement, apply some heat and gently secure the vinyl to all edges. If you get some wrinkles or creases, just apply a little heat. That'll shrink it. Let it cool for about 10 seconds. Then lift the vinyl up and then try it again. And then repeat that process as much as needed. Well, that's a wrap. Now apply these same steps to the other doors and you're good to go.